Right on, Hugh. Between the posts.
Hold it still, lad.
I am trying my best.
Maureen, phone the BBC.
Hello? BBC? It's Maureen here from Aberpandy. Could I speak to Mr. Fish? Sorry? Oh, could you tell him there's going to be a hurricane? Well, all I'm saying is, it's awful windy.
The weather prospects with Michael Fish.
Oh, look, it's on, man.
Earlier on today, apparently, a woman rang the BBC and said she heard that there was a hurricane on the way. Well, if you're watching, don't worry, there isn't. But having said that, actually, the weather
Well,
will
Michael,
become very windy.
if you won't listen.
Strong winds, incidentally, will be down.
What else is on?
And BBC Wales will be live at Twickenham for the big game between Wales and England.
Classic.